doing my post-graduation in English literature. Do I look happy to you? I mean, I might look happy to you, but we're not that happy. I mean, I'm not happy and satisfied in any way how my college is conducting my course. I mean, I'm not even sure about whether they are like serious about teaching or not, so I can hardly say about their seriousness towards my course. So rather than being with someone who doesn't share same feelings towards English literature, I like to grow and learn with someone, you, who might share the same sentiment with me. Through this channel, I hope and I want to make as many as people fall in love with English literature as I can. Again, I mean, I have had struggled all my life trying to figure out things, trying to find things that truly makes me happy and content. But from the moment I read my first book, I simply, truly, deeply, irrevocably fell in love with reading. I mean, I fell in love with the world that writer creates and the dream that leaves this sweet, sometimes sour, bitter taste every morning on my lips. People call it infatuation. I don't know, might be it's infatuation, but I think it's love. Kind of its own, always giving, always growing, always there with you, always patient. I think it's love. I don't know. I would like to know your thoughts about literature, I guess. So, also, I have one question for you. When was the last time, in full consciousness, you have done something for yourself that truly made you content, happy? I mean, I have this theory. If you belong to a middle class family and live in India, I think we middle class people do everything, including things we like, things we don't like, and things we think we like, considering the financial strain it will put our family through, and and also will the hard work worth putting, or what about people? What will people say about our dreams or about thoughts, about our actions? I mean, we do things to make people happy, I guess. I don't know what about our own happiness. Okay, today might be the day you decide to let yourself free right now. So I like to pursue you, but yeah, I like to approach you, I like to pursue you. But I won't be presenting you with some fancy statistics or trying to convince you that whatever I'm trying to say is an absolute truth and an absolute way to seek happiness or success. Because first thing, I don't think these two things are even related. Second, I don't want to do that to you. I mean, I don't want to be that annoying aunt from your neighborhood who decides or who makes your career choices for you. I don't want to do that. I mean, no. So rather than doing that, I like to pursue you to help myself by helping you in the journey of self-discovery and world exploration from the corners of our room, through literature and through the words of that wise man we keep on quoting in our works and daily lives. I mean, if you share the same sentiment and want to do something that truly has potential to change the way we see the world and feel being in this world, I think you should join me. We can truly have fun together. I mean, I promise you you won't have to worry about your finances when you're with me. there is nothing bad in joining me. I mean, there's nothing harm in joining me. I mean, I don't know. It's your opinion whether you want to join or don't. I don't know. So what exactly we will be doing in our channel is, first thing first, we will be stepping out of conventional learning zone and try to explore literature through like unknown terms and conditions, and we will try to devour literature not just for brain but to feed our souls. I mean, also, sorry that I won't be telling you what to read, how to read, and the right way to read. I mean, it's something I truly feel you should be free to decide. So I won't be doing that for you. Yeah, I'm sure about it. So I will be uploading videos, studying along with me videos, and systematic, well planned and research schedule with the names of authors and their respective works each week, again according to UGC guidelines and syllabus. I know for UGC Net English aspirant, this way of learning would be too lengthy, too time consuming, I guess. But hey, I have a question for you. Of course, in a rush to finish syllabus for examination, have you like truly sat down and read something from an author and gave yourself a moment to realize how few words from someone has, probably you don't know, has potential to make you feel in a certain way? I mean, I'm always curious about these little things. I mean, isn't it amazing? I mean, it's amazing for me. Also, it's a privilege to be able to read and write. So why be in a rush and be done with it when you can truly cherish, devour, and celebrate your time learning English literature or reading English literature? So, since it's gonna be a two-way communication, I will be sharing my notes, my videos, studying videos with you, and I will really appreciate if you could share your opinions, queries, and questions with me, so that I can come up with so that I can first of all learn from them and get back to you with the best possible solutions. So I don't think there's any harm in joining. There's any kind of harm in joining me. So do join me. I'm right there. Just one click away. So what are you waiting for? So guys, what you waiting for? So what you're waiting for, guys? Hop on the ride with me and let together discover our new home, our new dwelling, a happy home where we can live for eternity, I guess. We hope you have a happy day, a happy reading day.